Good everyone. As you guys know, my name is Favor Lonrua. I'm your humble tutor, and today I just want to share you guys um the trade I took just now. This weekend I've actually had some my eyes on Bitcoin and also on Ethereum too. So I just actually closed a buy trade on Ethereum not too long ago this evening, and I also saw this was able to spot this buy trade too on Bitcoin, a 1:7 RR trade, which is almost at my final target. Um, so let me just run you through this trade setup. So with this trade setup, I was able to actually get this trade setup using my normal concept, which is candlestick, um, which is as a candlestick, which is order volume profile. Yes, I use volume profile. I've taught you guys this particular stuff in this channel before, where I use volume profile, put it on this candle, and if price close inside the candle the value area, that simply means that price is still very much price wants to actually reverse, because price should not close inside a value area or inside that block of values of a lot of volume. Should close outside of that block, you understand, outside to show dominance, to show that yes, the sellers are dominate that candle. So as you can see, price, I will zoom in right now so that you can see it. So I'm just going to show you guys the reasons why I took this buy trade. Like I said, I'm going to be doing videos like this, more videos like this. When I take a trade, either the trade ends up in loss or in profit, I'm going to show you guys the reason why I took this trade. So now look at this bearish candle right here. You can see price give a bearish candle, and even the delta, the point of control, closed as bearish, but you can see price did not close below the value area. So price not closing below the value and closing inside the value area signifies something. And what does that signify? It signifies that the sellers were not really strong enough to close below this value area. If they can close below this value area, it simply means they showed domination, they showed dominance in that particular market, that yes, the sellers are really, really strong. So they could not close below this value area. This value area, like I said in my previous video, that these are like blocks in the market. These are strong areas in the market. They are like a barrier where a lot of orders were carried out. So if price closed inside that value area, it simply means like the price was not really strong enough to break below that barrier and close below it. You understand? So if price close inside that value area or close above that value area for a bearish candle, that simply means that a reversal is likely going to happen. Now the next candle, what I do is that, just like those of you who know, I think I've talked about CRT on this my channel. Those of you who know CRT, candle range theorem, it simply means that when market comes and fade this bearish candle gets faded and price close inside that range, that simply means that what price wants to reverse, a reversal wants to happen. So now let me show you guys, let me walk you through. So this bearish candle actually came to fade the low of this bearish candle, this first bearish candle here. So remember this first bearish candle, this one here, this first bearish candle, which is this guy here, this one, that's the first candle I put my volume profile. Now this first candle, the volume profile showed us that price wants to reverse. Remember I said if the bearish candle closes inside the value area or above the value area, not below for a bearish candle. If it does not close below the value area, it closes inside the value area or above the value area, that simply means that price is likely going to reverse very, very soon. Now that is one signal. Now the next signal is the next candle came to what, to fade, because we can't just enter our trade like that. We need at least two confirmations to three confirmations to be sure that price is going to buy. So The next candle is a bearish candle that came to fade this low, that came to fade the low of that other bearish candle. Remember, you can see that the POC is showing that yes, but is a bearish candle. That means sellers were in control. So that does not mean that the POC is not showing us that buyers are in control. That means buyers were more involved in this trade. No, so that just shows us that buyers were not really influenced in this, did not really influence this particular candle. So everything we are seeing here are true informations. Now, this next bearish candle faded this previous bearish candle, which was already showing us, or already signaling to us that price is going to reverse. So this next bearish candle faded the low, which there's a rule in the market which simply means that, which simply says that when when a candle, the low is market takes out the low of a previous candle and does not close below that previous candle, does not close below it and closes inside the range, that simply means that there is every likely possibility that market is going to reverse. There's a possibility that the market might reverse anytime soon. It simply means that price is no more looking to seek lower prices but looking to what, to reverse and start seeking higher prices. This is exactly what happened here. So now this particular stuff, we put our volume profile on this candle also to check for reversal. So we put our volume profile on this candle, and as you can see, look at it. Let me zoom in so that you can see it. So please follow my teaching so that you can understand all this stuff very, very well. So now you can see this volume profile. You can see that price closed inside the volume profile. It did not close outside the volume profile. It closes inside the volume profile. That just shows to us that sellers were not really able to what, to dominate and push price and close below the value, the volume profile. It closed inside the volume profile. That simply means reversal. So now we have two confirmation showing us reversal. The first candle showing us reversal, the second candle also showing us reversal using volume profile and also fading the low of the previous candle. So this is a good reversal kind of entry. So the next thing you want to do is what, you want to enter. But as for me, as a trader that I am, the kind of trader that I am, I love I love getting more institutional information about the market. So I'm not just trading based on volume profile and candles alone. So I go to my software. So the software I'm using to actually make good decisions in the market, precise decisions in the market. So this software is called the Bookmap, and it actually gives you access to the heat map of the chart. So just take for example, now you have, I'll just give you an example, give you guys an example. You have different snipers with different sniper guns, right? Now this particular sniper, they are, those are all of the first sniper, the gun is just, it does not have camera, it does not have a lens. Yes, it does not have a lens to actually um target the person before shooting. It just has just those small hole and you just look at it. You understand? Just with your eyes, you just be able to see the person with your own eyes. No use, you're not using anything like lens or anything that will help you to lock in on that target. So the person shoots, though the person is good, but he will not be able to get effective results than somebody which is the next sniper who has a sniper gun that has lens that can lock in into a particular target and shoot that particular target and get that target, right? Now this same person will not, this same sniper will not be like somebody who has a sniper gun that has night vision. So the person has a sniper gun and has night vision. That means if everywhere is dark, the person is seeing those people, even though the place is very, very dark, he's still able to see um he's still able to see this is target. Why? Because of the night vision kind of lens that he has, where that can actually help him to see the target because of the heat that is coming out from the target's body, right? The heat that the target is generating from his body. So there's a big difference between this the three of them, right? The first one, though is good, is a good sniper, but because of the kind of instrument he's using, it will limit his skill. The second one is a good sniper too, but the kind of instrument he's using, he will not be able to do some things that this third one can do. Are we together? So now this heat map is a software that actually shows you the passive orders and the passive buy orders and the passive sell orders in the market. So as you can see right here, I don't know what is wrong. I think my network is fumbling a little bit. So I'll just give it time to load. So now, as you can see right here, these are the colors for the heat map. Now, the darker the color, which is the redder the color, if the color is very very red like this, that simply means that price, that simply means there are a lot of orders in that particular area. And the lighter the color, that simply means there are a lot of orders. So for me, I just went to dim it very very well. So for if you do it like this, you'll be seeing a lot of orders, a lot of passive orders. So what I did was I just came and I dim it so that I don't want to be seeing a lot of orders. I want to be seeing the most important orders in the market. So as you can see, all these places are orders, all these places are series of orders in the market. So now that place that I entered that buy trade, this was what I actually saw on the trade. Now market was selling. All of a sudden, this particular place, we can see series of sell orders. You can see sell bubbles. So now let me quickly explain this. These bubbles are just representation for sell and buy orders. So now these green bubbles are buy orders, and these sell bubbles are sell orders in the market. So these are acts and these are bids. Hope you understand. So these are buy orders and these are sell orders. Are we together? Now, oh sorry. Now we can see that price was selling all the way to this downside, but when price got to this particular place, we can see that price sold, this bubble appeared, price did not bother to what, this bubble appeared, but price did not go down like that. Just around this range, around this low. Now this next one actually appeared again. This next red bubble actually appeared. This was exactly the same time with what was on my chart. This next one actually appeared. Price did not what, if you observe, price did not go down, but instead price went up. What does that simply mean? It simply means that the sellers are trying, the passive sellers are trying to sell, but buyers are eating up those orders. So buyers are eating up those orders. Um, Option here, and as you can see, absorption of sellers, and boom, you can see that market actually boom all the way up, went up. Instead for market to go down, market is going up. You can see these are red bubbles. Market should be going down, but market is what, is going up. Market went up, created another red bubble, and boom, look at it. This green bubble is just a signal for you. Market went up, break above these two red bubble, and then boom, give a green bubble, and that was it. That was it. As you can see, price just kept on going up, and that was exactly how we were able to get this sniper entry using its map. It's as simple as that. As simple as that. So look at it. It's still moving, but almost at my target already. Why? Because we're able to target exactly where the volume is. So if you are out there, you're a trader, you're struggling, you don't know what to do in the market, you've actually used candlesticks, you've used ICT, SMC, trend lines, all those things to get consistent in the market. I'll just tell you, you need to advance your skill, you need to level up, you need to build your skill in the market, you need to grow. You understand? Don't say, oh, I know this, I don't want to grow, I just want to stick to my support and resistance. Bro, you know will grow. You understand? If you stick there, you won't grow. You have to keep on leveling, keep on sharpening your skill, keep on, just become better, just become better. Just imagine if this world did not become better with technology and all. We still, all of us will still be, will not be using laptops, phones, and all those things. You have to keep on becoming better as a person and as a trader. And since when I found all these tools, man, it has actually helped me a lot. It has actually helped me a lot to make better decisions in the market, like very very good decisions in the market. You get, so this will just give you a very 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 clean. Now guys, I have good news for you guys, and I'll be dropping my WhatsApp link for the in the description of this video. Just check the description. You're going to see my WhatsApp link. You can chat me up. Now, the good news is I'll be teaching you guys this particular concept for free, completely for free, no string attached. So the only thing you're going to do for me is that, because this particular stuff I'm doing is I'm is my broker that actually told me, okay, let's organize class for these people, let's help these people improve. You understand? So all you just need to do is come to my DM, tell me that you're interested in this class. It's completely free, like I said. Tell me that you're interested in this class. All you just need to do is register for my brokerage firm. You understand? Register for my broker that actually gave me the idea, told me to do this particular class and teach a lot of students, a lot of people how to trade the market professionally. So I'm gonna teach you guys. I've been doing this thing back to back for since the past 6 months um of this year, and I've been actually profitable every single month with all this with this particular concept. So I'm going to teach you guys completely for free. All you just need to do, comment, chat me up, or comment you're interested. Then I'll send you my link on the comments. You click my link, copy my link, and then you chat me up on WhatsApp. You do the requirement, the registration, which is you register for my brokerage firm and deposit at least $50. After class, we start trading live together. We start trading live together. I'm not trading for you. You trade by yourself, but we'll be trading live together at least for like 1 month. So the class is going to last for like 1 month, where we're going to do I'm going to teach you guys. Then we'll do question and answer for some period. Then we'll do live sessions. During that live sessions, you are going to deposit money into the brokerage firm that you register with me. Deposit money, and you make money every single day in the market. Make money on any pair you want to make money on. You understand? At the comfort of your home. So if this particular stuff is sounding good to your ear, then you can actually comment, I'm interested, or just click the link in the description. That's my WhatsApp number, my WhatsApp link. Click it and you get added immediately. Like I said, it's completely free. All you just need to do is register for my broker, deposit your $50. Nobody's taking your $50. Your $50 is yours. You understand? Deposit, and when we start, when we've learned everything already and we start trading, you make money. You make your own personal money. We're not taking any money from you. So that'll be it for today. I'll be dropping more videos on this, on more explanations, more videos on my trades that I take. You understand? To help everybody out there to become a better trader. You've tried candlestick pattern, you tried all those things. Why don't you try advanced tools that will not make trading feel like you are gambling, will not make people say, what are you doing? Oh, I'm just checking the charts. I want to see if there will be a triangle pattern. No, no, no. You don't want to do that. You don't want to do that. You know, take trading as a professional business, right? You want to take trading as a business whereby you're not just making decisions based on instinct or no. You're making decisions based on market data. So you're making decisions based on the data you are getting from the market. So if that's good for you, if you really love this particular stuff, you really love this kind of community, you want to learn, you want to be very, very good in this thing called trading, then comment, I'm interested, and I will add you to my group. Or you click the link, my WhatsApp link, chat me up, and I'll add you to the selected group for this class. It's going to last for 1 month. See you guys. Thank you very much. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to your friends. This video is going to bless somebody, so please make sure you share this video, like and comment. You understand? Thank you very much, and subscribe. Don't forget, subscribe. It does not hurt for you to subscribe. Click the subscribe button so that you can be seeing good videos like this. Thank you very much, and have a nice day. Cheers. Thank you.